Today I'm going to test a pretty wild strategy that's going to help you get better trades and enhance your already existing strategy. Now let's get to the rules. So the rules are pretty simple. You see nice candle with a long wick, the longer wick the better, and you enter your position at close in the direction of the candle till 50% of the wick is taken. Meaning, this candle is red, so we're gonna take short, right from here, and we're gonna close it right over here. This candle is green and there is no wick. This candle is also green, there is long wick, so we're gonna enter here and close our position here. What if, like with this red candle, we enter over here with our take profit being there, but the price goes in the opposite direction? Let me tell you, we do nothing. Let's say we have 10x leverage, so our liquidation point would be over here. And we just do nothing and wait. So, this position would have been closed in profit without triggering our liquidation. And I guess you can see right now the problem with this position. It's the risk to reward ratio. Because you basically risk like 1 to 100. So, this position was taken. It was 1.3%. And liquidation would have been there, which is 10%. So it pretty much is like 1 to 80. That's why the strategy is wild. But let me tell you one thing. There actually are a couple of pretty good uses for the strategy. And I'm gonna show you how to use it to get better trades after we're done with testing. So let's begin. As you can see, we have a pretty mind-blowing win rate of 99%, but this one trade over 100 that we lost costed us more than half of our profit. Still, we are profitable even after the commissions because I have included them, and we actually gained 30% in roughly a month. And so I'm just gonna show you all of the tabs available here. Here you can see the performance. Trades analysis. Risk performance. And all of my trades. All of the 100 trades I took. And as you can see now, it took me 36 days to finish all those 100 trades. Being honest with you, this strategy is way too risky and way not enough profitable to be used as the main strategy. However, I would still recommend using it as the secondary strategy, in addition to the strategy you are already using to gain better profits. So how would I use the strategy? First of all, to find better entries. Second of all, to find better exits. Let's say, for example, that you are trading a support resistance reversal. So you know the levels over here, and from there you would open long position. But now we also know that there is a pretty high probability that before reversing, the price would at least hit at least half of this candle. Meaning that not only we would have a better entry, but also a better stop loss. Because entering here, your stop loss would be 0.32%, and entering here, your stop loss would be 0.21%, so it is 30% better. And your risk to reward ratio is also gonna get better. From 4 to 6.7. Okay, let's get to 2-minute chart and try to open our position here. Okay, we open it. On 5-minute chart. Okay. So it got a heavy 2-minute swing. And then it immediately reversed. Now let's see what I meant when I said better exits. For example, you decided to hold it till the next level. But you also know that if coming to this level there is gonna be a candle with a long wick, at least half of this wick is also gonna be taken. Let's see whether we would get it. And so now you see a big nice candle and your position past your take profit point. And you decide whether should you close it right now. But you also see that this candle does have a wick. And you know that there is also pretty high probability that at least half of that wick would be taken. So you place your take profit and close the position not by the close, which would be 33.6, but over here, which would be 35. Which is not much of a difference, but a couple of percents here, a couple of percents there, and by the end of the month, you have a better P&L. Let's see whether will it be hit. So let's compare now our positions. Okay, what I want to tell you immediately is that we would have been stopped out in both of them. But okay, let's say our stop loss would have been lower. Then, here now comes the difference. Two similar positions, but one is augmented with knowledge about the candle's wicks. And now instead of 2.5 to 1 risk to reward ratio, we got ourselves almost 5, so almost double it. And instead of 1.6% profit, we got ourselves 1.86. And so that is how I would use the strategy, and I would recommend you to use the strategy. If you have any thoughts about the strategy, or any thoughts about trading in general, or just any thoughts, please do feel free in the comment section. Let's discuss them over there. And that was it for today. I have at least 3 more wild strategies like that, which I'm gonna try to record the videos on. So hope to see you there.